Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope you're all doing well. I am very happy that you're here with me today. And I am super excited to share with you today this stunning paper collection by Graphic 45. This collection is called Cottage Life. And oh boy, this is just so awesome. Very beautiful. Really gorgeous. It has beautiful images of lovely cottages and it takes you back to simple life. It has the colors blue, pink, and green and this beautiful blush pink roses. Just awesome. But first, please do not mind my hands. They are bruised and has scratches. I am learning a new skill and learning to use power tools, so I'm all bruised. But it's okay. Working hands are always good. Alright, so let's go back to this beautiful paper collection by Graphic 45. This is very soothing. I just really love all the images. So it comes with 8 double-sided 12 by 12 papers. And I already used 2 sheets and I will show you what I did with those. But first, let us take a look at all these sheets.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river. Get down on your knees. Come to the mountain while taking in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will shelter, I will fight, I will fight. Oh, you're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return.
These gorgeous journaling cards and ephemera will transport you to an English countryside. And that feeling of happy, peaceful, simple life is just wonderful.
Just wanna watch them stars fall. But you don't wanna try to make up dreams just to be seen. I wanna lay here beside you, oh quiet. Fire breath and open sky. It's not what we know, it's where we go. I grow wings and tell her goodbye. Oh, it's not what we see, it's what we choose to be.
This is the cover that I finished using the sheets from this collection, and the style is similar to the one that I did with the fairy junk journal. This journal will have 3 signatures that will not be attached permanently to the cover. This crinkled seam binding will hold the signatures together, and the title is Cottage Life, and this is from the cut apart. The inside will have pockets, and these are cut aparts as well.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries. When you're with me, let every wave.
I think this color is very pretty. This is salmon pink, and I crinkled this, and again, these are available in my Etsy shop. I have a part tutorial on how to attach the signatures to the cover using the seam bindings if you're interested. The link will be in my description. And so this is the project that I am working on right now. I also have now 3 custom orders and another one that needs to be confirmed, but that's all that keeps me busy. And I am really very grateful for all your support. So there you go, friends. This is the beautiful paper collection by Graphic 45. Again, this is Cottage Life. I really love it, and please let me know what you think about this paper collection and what you think about this cover. Once this journal is done, I will list it in my Etsy shop. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to comment down below. Thank you again for watching. I really appreciate you all. God bless you. Bye now, till next time.